everybody, my name is Kleiner and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today's video is a little bit different and I'm very happy to finally making this video because I've been working on this project for like the past 8 months and I'm so excited to finally announce this. I have collaborated with one of my favorite contact lenses shops, Unixo, and together we decided to release 2 contact lenses with my own design. So I'm going to launch my own contact lenses designs. The first design I'm going to show you are the lenses I'm wearing right now, and I'm very happy how the design turned out. They look amazing. But before I present the contact lenses to you, first I would like to show you how I designed my packaging. For the contact lenses, I was inspired by the manga artist Makoto Takahashi. All of his characters have these big, innocent, dreamy eyes with these tiny little stars that are really adorable. So to adapt this gorgeous look, I'm using contact lenses that cover the whole pupil, so the design won't be interrupted by the hole in the middle. Sometimes, and when the ambient light isn't very bright while wearing the lenses, your eyes will even look like galaxy eyes. And now I show you how I designed them and how they look like. As I already said, I like contact lenses that cover the whole pupil, as it is not only possible to create designs that won't be interrupted by the hole in the middle, it's also possible to create very nice effects that change the apparent shape of the pupil. For my anime yandere contact lenses, I was inspired by yandere characters like Yuno Gazai, Ayano Aishi and many more. So the idea was to change the shape of the pupil to a lovely heart, which is surrounded by thorns, to get those crazy, obsessive yandere eyes. And this is how I made them. You can now order my original contact lenses on yournixo.com. They will be only available without lens power because they obstruct the vision. But don't worry, you can actually see with them. It's just a little bit foggy. Of course, I will put all the links in the video description below. Make sure you use my discount code PIXEL so you will get 12% discount on your order on your Nixo. I also have an international giveaway for you where you can win one pair of these contact lenses, and all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel because this giveaway is only for my subscribers, and leave a comment below for which cosplay you need the contact lenses. There will be 4 winners and the giveaway ends on November 16. I will upload a video on that day where the winners will be announced in the description box. So make sure you activate the bell so you can't miss it. Oh, and all contact lenses from this giveaway will of course signed by me. I'm very curious which cosplay characters you would like to do with my contact lenses. See you in my next video. Bye bye!